Hello, this is Bill with Money for Coffee. This video is about how to set up a new list in GetResponse. So if you don't already have a GetResponse account, just below this video in the description, click on that link and it'll take you to GetResponse. And then in the top right hand corner in this area here, there'll be a little block. It'll say sign up for a free account. You don't need any credit card or PayPal or anything like that. And just click on that to get a free account. Okay, so once you have your account, just go on to your dashboard, and then you want to come over here and click contacts. Click on that. Okay, then you want to come over here, right here, and click on create list. Okay, name it whatever you want. And then click create. Okay, here's the list we just made. So next, you go over all the way to the right, and there's these three little dots. And you just scroll over it. Then you go to settings. Okay, it gives you general settings. Okay, you have the list name, which we just named. So we'll just copy that. And then you have the list title. You can name it. You can have a different list title. I'll just use the same thing. Then a description you can fill out if you like. And then you just choose a category. So we'll just pick internet marketing. Okay, here you can select a file, something for your logo. So you can select something from your computer. So we'll just go on here. Let me see if I can find it here. Because if you don't put this in here, I think it puts a GetResponse logo. So you'd rather, be better off having your own logo. Okay, then your website. Just paste that in. That way it'll link it to the image of your logo. So just save the general settings. Okay. Then come up top to the top of the list settings and hit subscription. Now with this is if you want to get notified every time somebody subscribes. I think it's kind of annoying. I know, like when I was sold things to the Warrior Plus, I was getting a notification, like every minute or something when I first had a launch. So I just left it off. Well, at first I left it on, but then I went in and turned it off. But that you can leave it on if you'd like. Okay. Then you come down here and require additional confirmation, double opt-in. Most internet marketers that I know just require the single opt-in, because a lot of times people forget the double opt-in because they'll get a confirmation sent to their email because they're not on the list until they confirm the email that's sent to their list. I know, like in my email, I get like 100 a day, so it's hard to keep track of them. But it's up to you. And some people say it's a better quality of a list because it's people that really want to be on your list. So, like I said, that's optional. If you decide to go with the double opt-in, you just click, and that's for web subscriptions, and that's API subscriptions, which would be like if you have it set up through like WordPress. Okay, then if you do that, you'd have to go to confirmation message. Okay, and pick whatever confirmation, because then they would get a confirmation. And you could just pick something here from this. I'd pick something like verify your request information. And then it'll show you what the form looks like. And just go to the bottom and save confirmation message. But like I said, you don't have to even use this if you don't want to. It's just, completely optional. So I'm going to go back here to subscription, and I'm going to just I leave this off. And like I said, most internet marketers that I know do leave this off. Okay. And then as far as the confirmation page, the other one I did was for the double opt-in, but this is just for the confirmation page. You can send them to a custom, after they subscribe, you can send them to a custom URL with, say, like a link to a sales page, a free gift, whatever you want, or you can just give them the generic one. And this is what the generic default is. It would be just like this right here. Thank you for subscribing, and that's pretty much it. You could just leave that. Or like I said, you could do it with a custom one and say, hey, thank you for requesting this, accessing this information. Here's your free ebook. And then have a link to a sales page, anything you want. So that's all optional. And then when you're done, just hit save. And that's it. That's the only three things that you have to do. All right, guys, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you like it, you can, if you want to go back and access this information again for a reference, you can find your like videos. All right, guys, thank you.